So now let's see how we can utilize the RSVP block inside of wordpress.com. So if you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, collect responses, whether someone wants to visit an event or not, then you can go around onto the block section, click on the plus button and type in RSVP right here. And you can see that RSVP form is an option. So over here, you can see that simply you got the name right here, the email and attending. So you can go for yes, or let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and then type in enter, and I can say no and then maybe as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and change this around according to how you want as well, and make changes to, let's say for example, the label text right here according to how you want, just like this, and change around the border as you want as well, just like this as well, and then customize it as to your liking and press the save button. So once this is done, what happens is that you can go ahead onto preview section, and then you can simply go ahead and add this in. So let's just go around and say TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here, let's say for example, and then I'm going to go around and say maybe, and then I'm just going to go around and say gonna be a bit late right here, just like this. Send RSVP, and that will be sent out, and it'll be collected in the forms as with any other form. So you can go ahead and click and view the form responses right here, just like this, and you can see the detail right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the RSVP block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.